Welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss a few teacher resources to use in the classroom to teach about digital citizenship and internet safety. I'm also going to introduce you to an engaging online set of games for kids called Carnegie Cyber Academy. I want to begin with a timeline that my media specialist provided. As you can see, Fulton County and my school in particular are a common sense media certified school. She says that all lessons taught in our school, K-5, must come from common sense media resources. As you can see, Fulton County and our media specialist provided a timeline to implement digital safety lessons within our schools, as well as providing workshops for parents to learn about digital safety. Let's take a look at some of the resources provided by Common Sense Education. I really like the format as well as lesson content provided for K-12. I'm going to focus on second grade. As you can see, it begins with a very catchy song and then dives into lessons. Our media specialist focused on "We are digital citizens," "Who is in your online community," device-free moments, "That's private," and digital trails. One lesson that I would love to visit with my students is Let's Give Credit. As you can see, it provides slides and estimated times for your lesson. It also provides resources for kids and parents, family tips, family engagement resources. Let's look at the student handout, the Digital Citizen Report, which students can use to follow along with your presentation. They are provided with examples, interactive questions, as well as practice. Another resource for teachers is the Microsoft Education Center. They provide a digital citizenship module that provides a folder of PowerPoints, posters, and worksheets. One poster that stood out to me was "Follow the Golden Rule," which talks about cyberbullying, what it is, and what can you do about it. 3 PowerPoints that interested me were copyright, safety and privacy, and our digital footprint. As you go through each of the presentations, they provide interactive questions, as you can see here, as well as videos, as you can see an example here, protect your computer,
malware, short for malicious,
and as well as activities that you can complete in the classroom, class artwork, and then they get a sense of what copyright is. The last resource that we will explore today is the Carnegie Cyber Academy. Through this academy, students are put through several training missions. Let's look at some of the training missions that they go through. Through several training missions, they all deal with internet safety and digital citizenship, such as spam, personal information, web dangers, and cyberbullying. I chose this interactive game resource because they are able to dive into these tough topics and become cyber heroes. I hope you find these resources helpful as you navigate a digital world.